This video tutorial will explain how to get started with your Aircom device. If you haven't already, download the Aircom app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Please see our website for the link. First, remove the front cover of your Aircom unit and power on by inserting the battery. Wait for the green LED to stop flashing. When ready, gently tap the indicated square with a magnet 3 times to enable Bluetooth. Open the app and select the Aircom device you wish to connect to. The name of your Aircom device will be the serial number located on the manufacturer's label. Once on the main page, you will be warned that the Aircom device clock is out. To correct this, navigate to the Aircom device status page and update the device time. You will be notified by a green bar at the bottom of the page when this action is complete. Next, you need to configure the LoRaWAN settings. The first step is to provide your IT department or network provider with the Aircom device EUI. This is a 64-bit unique identification number. To find your device EUI, navigate to the LoRaWAN settings page. Next, a 128-bit encryption key, referred to as the app key, needs to be entered into both the Aircom unit and your network server. Tap the Edit button. Tap the LoRa app key section and then enter your encryption key. Once you're happy with the settings, tap the Tick button. Next, write the configuration to the Aircom device. Return to the main screen and tap the Download Configuration button. You will then be notified by a green indication bar at the bottom of the screen when this action is complete. Finally, you need to join your LoRaWAN network. To do this, navigate to the Aircom device status page and tap the Join LoRaWAN Network button. You should receive a green bar at the bottom of the page when this action is completed successfully. You are now ready to configure hardware and transmissions. Please see our other tutorials.